Hey there! So I received some plant mail from a good friend on Instagram. Her name is Emily. You probably follow her already at the Succulent Greenhouse. She also has a YouTube channel, and she has an Instagram. That's her name for both. So we did this swap. I sent her a package as well. So I'm super excited to see what she sent me. I kind of already know because we kind of showed each other what we're going to send, but it's always nice to just see them in there, you know? Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Just like this little baby thing I'll put here. Alright, so here they are. So this one had a little bit of leaves fall off. I don't have this one, so I'm super excited about it. I can propagate these leaves that are kind of off already. She was worried about this one, and some of the leaves are loose, but it's okay. I can propagate. She sent this one, which is a nice size. So pretty. I'm not worried about leaves falling off because I propagate. This is a Kalanchoe. I'm not sure of the exact name. I don't have this one, so I'm excited about it. Then she sent this. This was the butterfly one. Of course, all the things fell off, but it's okay. That one. She sent me a lot of types of Kalanchoe, so I love it. That one. This one. Some of these are falling off, but it's fine. This one. I feel like those are Graptivarias, or this one. A lot of Kalanchoes, which is cool because I'll make a little pot of them. This one. This one has cool colors on it. Where's this one? I like this one a lot. These little babies. So cute. I love getting succulents from other people's gardens. It's just really cool to see, like, to have them grow in my garden. And then I sent her some of mine. I see the little tiny little babies in here. I'll show you. Yes, let's see. Can you see it? See the little leaves that fell off. The little babies that fall off the leaves. So I'll put those in some soil. Thank you so much, Emily. I'm so happy with all the Kalanchoe and other succulents that you sent me. I will definitely pot these babies up. And I hope they do as great in my garden as they were doing in yours. I'm going to go ahead and leave her name, her channel, and also her Instagram link, so you guys can follow her if you don't already, which I'm sure a lot of you do. Yes, thank you, Emily. I appreciate it. I love everything that you sent me, and I really hope that you enjoy all the succulents that I sent you as well. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see other videos that I post, and definitely stay tuned. Talk to you guys later. Bye.